Hello, everyone, and welcome to my Story Club show. Dear friends, the title of today's story is Beautiful True Love. My dear friends, uh, in this story, there is a girl and a boy. There was a guy and a girl, and they had fallen in love with each other. But there was a problem. The boy belonged to a poor family, and the girl belonged to a rich family, so that the girl's parents were unhappy with this love. But the boy was very handsome, and the boy was hard-working boy, and he was studious. And when the parents of the girl came to know about the hard-working nature of the boy, now they were ready. Now they thought that this guy is capable for the hand of their girl. But there was one more problem. The guy was a soldier, and when they became ready to engage their girl with that boy, at that time the order came, and the boy had to go out of the town for 1 year. He had to go on his duty for 1 year, and before going to duty, 1 week before going to duty, he went to the house of the girl, and he knelt on his knee, and he said to the lady love, "Will you marry me?" And the girl wiped her tear, and she said, "Yes, I will marry you. I am ready to marry you." Then they got engaged, and it was decided that after he will come back from his duty, after one year, they will get married. Now the boy went on his duty. But one more incident happened. One day, the girl met with an accident, and in that accident, her brain was injured. She met with an vehicular accident, and her head was collided on the road. Her head was stuck on the road. Her head hit with the road, and that's why she was taken in the hospital. She was unconscious, and when she was in hospital, her mother and father were sitting beside her. After some time, she became conscious, and she saw that her mother and father were crying there. And then she came to know that there is something wrong with her. And when she came to know that she has met with an accident, at that time she became very sad. And then she came to know that her brain was damaged, and the part of the brain which controls the muscles of her face was damaged, and that's why her face had become very ugly. And there were many injuries on her body also. There were black marks on her body. There were many wounds on her body. And now the girl who was beautiful yesterday, now she had become ugly. She looked in the mirror and she said, "I was beautiful yesterday, I was lovely yesterday, but now I have become a monster." And now she decided that she will not keep the promise which she had given to her fiance. She will release her fiance from their promise, because she had become ugly, and she was thinking that the boy will not marry with her because now she had become ugly. Now she was not a beautiful girl. But the boy had no idea about it. The boy was writing a letter to the girl every day, but the girl was not responding to his letter. The girl was not answering to his letters. Then boy tried to call her, but the girl did not take the calls of the boy. So now the girl was discharged from the hospital, and she was taken to her house, and she was taking rest in her room. So now 1 year had passed. The boy had come back from his duty, and now he was preparing to marry the girl. And the boy came there, and the boy met to the mother of the girl. Then mother of the girl came into the room of her daughter, and she said to her daughter that the boy wants to marry her. But she said, "No, I don't want to marry him. And don't tell him anything about me. I want to forget him." But mother said that the boy is going to marry, the boy is getting married, and she gave an invitation card to the girl. And when the girl took invitation card, at that time she started crying because still she loved him. There was love in her heart for him still, but she was trying to avoid it because she had negative thinking, that she was thinking that now her face had become ugly, and that's why the boy will reject her. When the boy will see her face at that time, the boy will reject her. She was thinking like this. That's why she was saying that she wanted to forget the boy. She does not want to marry him. But when she opened the invitation card, she saw that there was her name, and she was shocked, she was surprised, and she asked her mother, "What is this?" And meanwhile, the boy entered into her room, and once again he knelt on his knee, and he said to the girl, "Will you marry me?" And when he asked her, "Will you marry me?" The girl put her hands, the girl covered her face with her two hands, and she said, "Now I am ugly. You will not like me. You will not love me." Then the boy said to the girl, Without your permission, your mother had sent your photos to me. I have seen your photos. I have seen your face, and nothing had changed. The girl with whom I had fallen in love, the girl is same. The girl has not changed yet, and I still love the girl." Then the girl became happy, and finally she also was ready to marry with the boy. And here ends the story. My dear friends, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that what is true love? My dear friends, physical beauty is not permanent. The beauty of the heart is important. Thoughts are important. Many boys or girls fall in love by looking physical beauty. If the girl is beautiful, the boy falls in love with her. If the boy is handsome, the girl falls in love with that boy. But physical beauty is not permanent. Physical beauty can change. Today you are beautiful, today you are handsome, but tomorrow something can happen with you and you can become ugly, because beauty is not permanent, beauty is not forever. So the beauty of heart is important. Beauty of heart is important means that the person whom we are loving, his thoughts should be pure, he should be good by nature, he should be cooperative. Then we should fall in his love. We should not see the physical beauty with whom we are falling in love. We should know the nature of that person. We should know the heart of that person, and then we should fall in love with him or her. And in true love, physical beauty is not important. Faith, trust is important. My dear friends, if we are loving somebody, or if we are falling in love with somebody, then that person should be trustworthy. That is more important than physical beauty. So when we have to fall in love, when you will fall in love, at that time you don't give importance to only physical beauty, because physical beauty is not permanent. and we should give importance to the beauty of the heart. We should give importance to the nature of the girl or the boy. This we have to learn from this story. If you like this video, please like it, share it, comment on it, and if you have not subscribed my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. That's it. Thanks a lot.